And whoa, that's an artwork right there. 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap.
Yay! What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Octavia, darling. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be giving you a behind the scenes on how I prep for photo shoots, and also you're going to be with me during the photo shoot. So let's get into it. First and foremost, I'm going through my closet, picking out my outfit because I already knew what I wanted to wear. I was just thinking of if I wanted to add any accessories such as a purse or whatnot. But right now, I'm deliberating because the shoes that I was going to wear was not going to match the purse. So I decided to just put it back because it would have been unnecessary to bring. Next, accessories. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to do gold or silver with this look, and ultimately ended up going with silver. Mainly because I felt like this would complement my dress very well, and also I look really good in silver. Now that I have my accessories, I am placing them in this bag so that I don't lose any of the pieces. I want to make sure that they're all together so it will be easy to select from. Then I had pulled out these sunglasses just in case I wanted to add a little oomph to the look, but this is the dress. Moving along to the equipment. So, although I was modeling for this shoot and not being the photographer as I normally am, I still wanted to bring all of my equipment because I knew that I will be creating behind the scenes content. So, what you see me packing are my iPhone tripods and accessories, as well as external lights. This one I love to use for my phone, got it from the TikTok shop. And I also brought this other external light, which I normally use for like video. And then I brought my actual camera that I shoot with just in case the other camera died or something happened. Now for my makeup. I knew that I would be doing my makeup prior to the shoot, but I still wanted to bring my makeup bag just in case I needed to make any kind of touch ups. So I have my lashes as well because we didn't want those things to be flying off. That's from the TikTok shop as well. And then my makeup palette, which I actually won from a TikTok live. I forgot the TikToker's name, but yeah, shout out to you, girl. So, if you saw my recent video, then you would know that I ran into some minor mishaps while doing a lock style that I wanted to have for this photo shoot. So, as a result, I just ran with the braid out because that's a signature look for me. And I had to take the braids down while I was driving because I had no time to do it once I reached the studio. But I do not recommend that you do this while you're driving. Okay, so just
No, you straight when you told me you was gonna do it. I was like, look, let me just make sure I look good and stuff. Cause I ain't trying to be on camera and stuff, looking all homeless.
Hey, I like to get those disclaimers,
I was like, hey, look, check it out. It's been a rough week. Don't judge me. Oh, that's what I was looking for. We're gonna start right here.
Inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting dialed in. I used to these. All the things that frustrated you before, you know what I'm saying, that you couldn't do, you know, that was annoying because it seemed like it couldn't be done and stuff. It can be done if you shoot in raw. All your big edits are gonna be small edits in raw. Like anything that's overexposed, don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Because you shot it raw, my boy.
No, okay, cool. Alright, put my heels on. Let me put a brush on my lip gloss and I'm ready. You just doing test shots?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wanted to see where I need to be, or where this light needs to be specifically. But this natural light is giving no. Oh shit.
Off guards are my.
No, that's the bread and butter right there.
I just thought I'd let you know.
My thing, what I hope to do all the time, is to be so completely myself, which that's what I hope I am. To be so much myself that my audiences and even people who meet me are confronted. They're confronted with what I am, inside and out, as honest as I can be. In this way, they have to see things about themselves immediately.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you don't care.
This be for the ooh.
I love the excitement.
No, look, I'm gonna be your biggest like that. There you go, cat to you.
Should I look at you or them?
Look at me first and then look down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's fire. That's a painting. For real, for real. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Wanna wait. Painting for sure.
Yes. Okay. Hey, you ain't gotta show me the look. I trust you.
You don't care. Trying to make a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of little change to be a war in my mind. Gotta let go, wait, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms, feel still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always.
Yep.
And I'm gonna be having fun. So.
Yep. Having fun, move around, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Give me some smiles, some energy. Yep. You got us, you know what I'm saying? Got us energy. You got it.
Let's go. Okay.
Wait. All right, cool. All right, go ahead. Oh!
I love your excitement.
You can clearly tell when I do something cool and I like it a lot.
Lean forward.
Oh, hold on. Right there. Yup, right there. That's the one.
Oh, they jamming over there.
No. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, bro, we can't. Bro.
We gotta become regulars. That's what it is.
You know, you're probably right.
Yeah. I can even do some of my eyes closed.
Yeah, these are fine. Step forward a bit. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Like you're basking in the sun.
Say less.
To take it back to your birthday last year. You know what I'm saying? When you was in the islands. 3, 2, 1. That's fire.
Should I sit?
Yeah, sit first, and then we do the seconds. There you go, right there. Out of the way. Yeah, woo! Give me the same thing, bring the chin, no, you can change position, but bring the chin up now. There you go. 3, 2, 1.
Legs like this, maybe leg.
Whoa, you just did it! You just did it!
I'm gonna have to sit up a little bit like that.
You just did it.
Ooh. Come up a little bit. It's hard because it's a circle. But
Right.
You see what I'm trying to do?
Yeah, no, I feel you. And you're in the dress too.
Yeah, we probably gotta move quick. Just tell me when you're ready.
Alright, on my cue in 3.
Wait, what should I do with my face? Look at you?
Yeah, look at me.
Okay. Ready?
Alright, on my cue in 3, 2, 1. Alright, cool.
I can even do this.
Hold on. That's amazing. 3, 2, 1. Hold on again. Jesus.
I was holding my breath.
Jesus. And whoa, that's an artwork right there. 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap.
Yay! Wait, you gotta come to my camera.
We did it. You know what I'm saying?
Tell them who you are.
Hey, yo, it's Calvin. No, I'm just kidding. It's Calvin West, aka Calvin's Candidates. They can't stand it. We just did it. You know what I'm saying? We came in, we saw, we conquered, we bounced around the room and stuff. You know what I'm saying? We played with everything that's in the room. Some things don't make sense, but it's cool. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better stay tuned for these photos.
Stay tuned, y'all. Make sure y'all follow him on all social media platforms. Show some love, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Tell you what freedom is to me. No fear. I mean, really, no fear. If I could have that half of my life, no fear. Lots of children have no fear. That's the closest way, that's the only way I can describe it. That's not all of it, but it is something to really, really feel.
I gotta find peace of mind.